You have a spreadsheet and it has duplicates, and you want to get rid of them. Here's the world's quickest guide on how to do that. First step is highlighting the data. Now this is trickier than it seems. What you highlight will group the data together, meaning if you highlight together columns A, B, C, and D, and a duplicate is found, it is going to remove the data from all 4 columns. If you highlight just column A and a duplicate is found, just A will have the data removed. More often than not, you're just going to want to highlight everything. Next, click the Data tab, and then the Remove Duplicates button. This is the second tricky part. What you select here determines where Excel will look for duplicates. So if you have duplicates you are okay with in columns B, C, and D, you only need to select column A. So in this example, Excel sees the duplicates in the spreadsheet. We told it in the Remove Duplicate box to ignore B, C, and D, so it won't care about the duplicates found here. We highlighted all of our data at the start, so when it detects these duplicates, not only is it going to delete these values, but it's also going to remove the corresponding B, C, and D values. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give the video a like. If you're struggling in Excel on a certain topic, make sure to put it in the comments below and I'll make a video on it to help you out. Thanks again.